Hey guys, welcome to my video of the quick unboxing of the drop edition Sennheiser HD 6XX, also known as the other version of the legendary HD 650. So this is the box that it comes in. It's not much. Before they used to come in hard case boxes. Those were very protective. They don't do that anymore, maybe to cut down costs. As you can see here, there's a zero protection for the headphones. So as you can see, the headphones, they played around a bit during transit. After removing the plastic, you're greeted with the same old quality, nothing new, same old quality HD6XX from Drop. You can see the drivers and the HD6XX branding, the Mazda branding. And here you're supposed to get the Made in Ireland stamp. They don't do that anymore, I don't know why. Sennheiser branding, plain Sennheiser branding. And the cables come attached with the headphones. Here you can see a 1/4 inch adapter. It comes with a regular 3.5 inch jack with the 1/4 inch adapter. Here's another good look. Let's see what else is in the box. Nothing else, just the user manual, which nobody reads. Let's put everything back in the box and move on with the headset. I'm really disappointed that Drop don't send these things in those hard cases anymore. I really expected I'd get one until I got this. Let's bring back the bad boys in focus again. I'll be doing an in-depth review on this thing, so stay tuned for that. That will be all for now. Show some love and give me a follow if you like the video and if you want more like this. Also feel free to share your valuable opinions. Have a good day.